Hello! Today we're making flan, and I have my mother, my twin. Let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna use some condensed milk and some evaporated milk. And then we're gonna need some cream cheese, some vanilla, and eggs. And we're gonna need some sugar for caramel. Okay, so we're gonna first get started with making the custard. We'll have my mom do it, so. Okay, so now she's gonna pour in 5 eggs. We're going to use cream cheese. My mom doesn't make it with cream cheese, right?
No.
Okay, now she's putting evaporated milk.
And condensed milk.
Do 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm using vanilla bean.
Okay.
We just blend this up. Now we're just gonna turn on the blender and we're gonna blend it up for a few seconds till it's all mixed.
Not afraid of the battles I've been facing. Nothing that you do is ever wasted.
Now we're gonna put 1/2 cup of sugar. Set it for medium. And we're gonna put just a little water and a little bit of lemon. Okay, what I'm gonna do is spread it out. If it starts to look like that, I don't move it anymore. I just swirl it around.
We'll do like a 15-20 minutes.
So now just start swirling it a little bit. I'm gonna rotate it.
Just when looking at you, open up my eyes. And I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sign.
Want to like ruin your pan, you could always just put it in a different pot, and then when it's like ready, you just pour it into it. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, it's going to be like 15 minutes. Sorry.
It's the color that I usually leave it at. And we're just gonna take it out of the fire, put it aside for it to cool and harden. The caramel is hard now, so we're just going to, here, you pour it in.
And then you can put walnuts or pecans, whatever you have. Optional.
We're gonna put this into a bigger container with water, and that's called agua maria. And I gave my mom the hard job.
Yes, it is a very hard job.
Okay, so we're gonna put it for 350 for 1 hour. So we took it out at 1 hour. That's what it looks like right now. This is the hard part.
Very fun.
Oh, I hate doing this. Do you want to do it?
No, you can do it. What is it?
There's the flan. Put it in the fridge for 5 hours if you want it to be extra amazing. This is what you'll get. You flipped it over. If you don't like doing it, just give it to your mom to flip it. She'll do it. Like little flecks of vanilla, so that's why I like using vanilla bean. After 5 hours, you can go to the fridge and cut into it. It just tastes better. Yeah, because I put cream cheese, it like gives a better consistency. My mom does it a different way. She doesn't do cream cheese. You do still 5 eggs, right?
Yes, same.
Everything's the same?
Mm-hmm. Except the cream cheese, but it's delicious with cream cheese.
Foil,
Oh,
right? I dare. Okay, so we're just gonna put foil. Oh God. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? Yes. Let's go. Can you go hide that real quick? So I usually wait till I'm about to eat it to like put it out of the container, but my mom thinks that it's better to put it in a different plate so the aluminum doesn't. I don't know.
The plant will taste like aluminum.
It does not, but okay. So what I'm gonna do instead of aluminum, I'm just gonna put it back in. Oh my God, I spit. It's fine. It's gonna be yours. Okay, so I just put back the cake pan. Wait, is it gonna taste like aluminum then?
No, it's going to be okay, Nelly. Like that.
Okay, so we're just gonna put it into the fridge
For 5 hours.
for 5 hours. And we'll be back. Well, I will be back. My mom is leaving me, so I will be back later. She does not love me.
I love you.
We're back, and it's been a couple hours. Going to cut into it.
Looks delicious. We're going to try the flan.
Let's see.
Delicious.
Tastes different than yesterday's, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, what I do a little differently is I don't cover it. And I think just the caramel, I don't stir it very much. My mom, when she makes it, and I put cream cheese. She covers it, but she makes it in the stove.
And now you haven't used cream cheese, but this is delicious. It's different.
Yeah.
Very good.
So, that's it. That's how you make flan. Or that's how I make flan. Maybe we'll do how my mom makes flan in a different video. Okay, well, thank you for watching.
Very easy recipe.
Yes. It's like a crowd pleaser. My sister loves this dessert, and her mother-in-law loves it too. And they're always like getting me to make it for them. So it's really good. It's really simple, not a lot of ingredients. It's really, really good. And let us know if you try it. Don't forget to subscribe down. And then my mom said she wanted to say something to her mother, so.
Oh, no, well, thank you. Thank you, my mom. Thank you, Mom.
No.
No, yes, I know.
Are you going to say it?
No.
Say it.
I will call you in a little bit, Mom.
All right, cool. Goodbye. See you next time. Come to grandma.
No, espérate.
Okay.
¿O qué te voy a decir? ¿Qué me vas a decir?
You're just gonna tell me to shut up.
Yes.
What? Yeah. Wait, where did you put it?
Okay, otra vez.
Okay. First, we're gonna use some. What is this?
Condensed milk.
No, is this condensed? It is.
Condensed milk, evaporate milk. Eso lo quitas.